Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons again. So today our topic is pronunciation tips, okay? So I want to show you how to pronounce some words, some verbs, and what to take care of, okay? So how to be careful when you read something. So, I think the one of the most important sounds in Kurmanji is A, okay? Long A. When we say way, for example, if you make it short, way, it will be your, okay, you plural. But when we say way, it's her. So malawe, your house, malawe, okay, malawe, way, it's longer, way, okay, but the other one is short, way, okay. So it's very important, a and a. Okay, and the other one, as you know, it is to pronounce kh, and when it comes together with w, wow. So we will see some examples. Okay, so I wrote several sentences for you. So, and here I see that I made a note about questions. So in Kurmanji, when we ask a question, we do it with our intonation, right? For example, if you say tubashi, it's a statement. You are okay, tubashi. But to bashi, to mamostei, to khandakari, to guleyi. You see, to the end, we do like stress with our voice and just we raise it. Okay, to guleyi. Okay, to mamostei. To bashi. So be careful when you create your questions, okay? So like you are waiting for an answer, right? So you can do it just, it's same as in Russian. So be careful. So try to check your voice. Be sure that you are asking a question, okay? For example, tu lizanıngehe khwandakari. Tu lizanıngehe khwandakari. Are you a student in the university? To khwandakari, are you a student? Okay, and if you are not sure about your intonation, so you can use several question markers. For example, ma is one of our question markers. So if you say ma tubashi, so it is like automatically becomes a question because of ma. So ma tubashi, ma tu khandakari. Okay, it makes it easier. So if you are not sure about your intonation, you can use ma, and the other one will be gelo tu khandakari, gelo tu mamostei. Okay, this one was important. And when I do lessons, when I have lessons with my students, I see they pronounce present tense negative prefix na shortly. I don't know why. But in Kurmanji, okay, in our alphabet we don't have long a, but when we pronounce we have a long a. Okay, for example, let's have a look at this example. As nakhwazim te bibinem, I don't want to see it. As nakhwazim, you see na is longer. Nakhwazim te bibinem. Like many of our students pronounce like nakhwazim. No, nakhwazim. Stress it in the first syllable, right? Nakhwazim, as nakhwazim, okay, as nachum. I don't go, not nachum, but nachum. Na is longer, okay? Nachum. Be careful. It's a very common mistake to pronounce na. I don't know why, but shorter, but it's long. Okay, be careful. As nakhwazim. So always hear my voice in your head. Nakhwazim. Okay, nakhwazim. I wish I had a better, nicer voice, but still. So it was important. And let's see another example. And you see here as nakhwazim. We have X and W at the same time. Khwaz, na khwazim, khwa. Okay, na khwazim. Please repeat with me. Na khwazim. And it's positive form will be دخوازم دخوازم دخوازم. Please repeat with me. It will improve you a lot. As نخوازم, as دخوازم. Okay? And the next example is as لوی زانینگه نخوینم. As لوی زانینگه نخوینم. I don't study at this university. نخوینم. You see, نخوینم. نخوینم. Not نخوینم. نخوینم. Okay? As لوی زانینگه نخوینم. I don't study at this university. As لوی زانینگه نخوینم. And you know, in Kurmanji we have many prepositions, right? We have circumpositions, prepositions, many. And when you pronounce a preposition, don't separate it from the noun, okay? For example, here, لوی زانینگه, at this university, it's a group of words, right? So don't separate them. Not as لوی زانینگه نخوینم, but as لوی زانینگه نخوینم. If you need to take a break, put after as لوی زانینگه نخوینم. Okay? Now, for example, I will show you in the next example, but don't separate preposition from the nouns. Okay? If you need to rest, so decide where to rest. Otherwise, you will lose the meaning. Okay? So the next example is as جته تشتكي فهمناكم. Like I don't understand you. As جته تشتكي فهمناكم. You see ناكم longer ناكم. As فهمناكم. Not as فهمناكم. ناكم. ناكم. Okay? As فهمناكم. As جته from you. Don't say as je te, but as je te. Okay, if you need to rest, as جته تشتكي فهمناكم. فهمناكم. You see again, na is longer. ناكم. ناكم. And the last example is as روژا سهشنبه on Tuesday به حوالن خوره with my friends. به حوالن خوره در دکوم دروه. Go outside. So as روژا سهشنبه به حوالن خوره with my friends در دکوم دروه. So here we have as I روژا سهشنبه as adverb on Tuesday with my friends go outside. So when you pronounce this sentence, don't separate روژا سهشنبه. Okay, don't say as روژا سهشنبه به حوالن خوره, but as روژا سهشنبه به حوالن خوره. Here we have circumposition بو حوالن خوره. بره. بو حوالن خوره. بو حوالن خوره. It's very long, I know, but so otherwise if you say as روژا سهشنبه به حوالن خوره را در دکوم دروه, it's it is hard to follow, okay? But when you just group them correctly and when you pronounce them correctly, listener, you don't make listener tired, okay? But otherwise it's hard to catch what is where, okay? So as روژا سهشنبه به حوالن خوره در دکوم دروه. Go outside, okay? در دکوم. در دکوم. Go outside. And negative در ناکوم. در ناکوم. Don't go outside. Okay, so I just want to show you these details. Please repeat after me. I mean, if it is needed, stop the video, pronounce it after me. Okay, it will help you a lot. Don't be afraid. Don't afraid. Just pronounce it out loud. Believe in yourself and speak Kurmanji as much as you can with mistakes. Not it doesn't matter. Okay, just speak. Without speaking, you cannot improve, okay? Read a lot, speak a lot, listen a lot, follow my channel a lot. So thank you so much. Happy to see you here every time. And I will see you next time. Thank you for following me. Paka paka. بخاطره. By the way, you know what? For next year, next year will be 2023. I will be starting a challenge, Kurdish reading challenge. So for my for participants, I will be preparing a text like for each day separately. So participants will get an email as a Kurdish text with exercises, with answer key, and with vocabulary list every morning. And for a month, you will get 30 reading texts with vocabulary list and exercises. And I will try to repeat the same words for you to see more and learn more. Okay, so if you want to join our challenge, just send me an email, KurdishLessons2019@gmail.com. So thank you so much again. Bye bye.